What's poppin' with you, YouTube? It's your boy Pasky coming back with another flow. You know what I'm saying? Probably caught the live and direct act over there on Live Off 35th, Volume 1, you know what I'm saying? Me, Troy Thomas, the boy June, you know what I'm saying? And a whole bunch of other cats from the clique, you know what I mean? This is how we get down, you know what I'm saying? I'm here. In a world where it ain't safe when guns drawn to place, get Teflon for your face. If it's beef, we'll come and snatch your plate and be the first one at the stove. That's the block call at the stove because it get hot. The spots be the pots, the skillets be the flats, the cookie sheets in the cupboard where the roaches and the rats be. The strainer is the strappers in the closet where that mask be. Soldier boy again, that matches right where that cash be. When I put this map on my back, they gon' think I'm geography with property and money inside it, call it monopoly. AXB, now they think I'm talking geometry, but not a B, my nigga will kill you with trigonometry. Calculate this, 2 guns and 10 clips, that's 150 a piece, a pilly and 2 chicks. I'm hitting a sweet lick. Ain't nobody gonna say shit. Go back and enjoy the presents I got from St. Nick. Easy, man. Get at your boy, man. 53209, boy. 414, boy. Brew City boys in the building, you know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. Deuces.